Hello, how are you, Daisy?
I'm good. How are you?
How have you been?
Good. Busy.
Yeah, I can't see because I have been 3 minutes waiting you.
Yes, I forgot almost because
Uh-huh.
usually I don't have lessons in the morning anymore.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I'm teaching for another school as well. So I was checking if I have some classes with them. I don't. I was working out now. I finished like 20 minutes ago. So yeah, then I was like, oh yeah, I remember. I think I have something at 9 on Cambly. Yeah.
So, if someone make a reservation, uh, how can you recognize this? Is it Cambly send you a notification on your app?
Yes, so I don't have a Cambly app because Cambly app on the mobile phone, on the cell phone, is only for students.
Uh-huh.
The teachers, we don't have that. It's not for teachers. It's made for students.
Yeah, it's
So what I
only.
have to, okay, so I get a notification,
Yeah.
yes, on my email, but
Uh-huh.
because I'm not checking my phone all the time, or I'm not checking my email all the time, I cannot know. Yes, but I get an email, yes. Cambly sends a notification, I think 2 times before the lesson starts.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you if you check the email. Yes. So how have
Yeah.
you been? What's new?
I'm doing very great, Daisy. And
Yes. So no social media.
yeah, no social. We don't like social media. Social media, it's very bad. Cambly is the best.
No social media. Who has social media? Who has time for that? No, I don't
We
have
don't
time.
know about anything about social media. Yeah, they told me that there is a Facebook app. Is it right?
I don't know. I live in Canada. We have some other things here. I'm not sure.
Oh, maybe you don't have a Facebook there in Canada. Maybe.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, okay, good. So yes, I get up, Ahmed, very early in the morning. People see that. I actually get up at 4 o'clock in the morning without any alarm clock. I was
Oh,
I was an early bird, as they say in English, from when I was very small, very, very little. When I was a child, I used to get up very early. I was always like that.
yeah,
I'm always going to be like that. So
yes,
I get up at 4, I'm on Facebook by 5, then I drink my coffee and I go to
yeah,
I spend some time on the balcony. I listen to the birds. The birds are really like in the morning.
yeah,
And then
yeah. This time of the day, it's very energetic when you see the sound of birds, and
yeah,
you feel that the whole day belongs to you. You can make many things in your day because it's very
exactly.
long.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. That's, I think, one of the reasons is also that. Plus, I really like mornings. I always really liked mornings, not evenings as much as
Uh-huh.
mornings.
Yeah,
Yeah. Also, when I'm on vacation, when we go to the coast, people like to watch the sunset. You know, the
yeah,
sunset.
yeah,
I enjoy the sunset, of course, especially if it's like really nice. But I also really enjoy the sunrise, when everything is waking up, everything is so
yes,
fresh. So yeah, I like, and I have a privilege, and I'm really lucky that I have the sunset is actually here. I can see the sun, not the sunset, the sunrise. So I can see the sun rising,
yeah,
and I see downtown Toronto, CN Tower, like this, right? This is the sunset. This is
yes.
sunset, right? But I'm seeing sunrise, the same things I'm seeing, right? You look at that. It's nice, huh?
Yeah, very nice. Because this is the nature of the nature of the nature.
Yeah. Yeah. So what do you like? Do you like sunrises or sunsets? What do you like more?
No, I don't like sunset. I like sunrise.
You also like sunrise. Okay, you see.
Sunrise, yeah, because with sunrise it means begin a new day,
Exactly.
new things coming up, and
Exactly.
that's wonderful thing that you will discover many things,
Yes.
and you will never know what the day
Can bring.
yeah can bring to you.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, it's very true. That's also the reason why I like it. Yeah, exactly. So, anything new, anything exciting in your life?
Yeah, I want to talk about biking. How is biking ride so far with you?
Okay, it's good. I got a new bike for my birthday. So,
Congratulations.
yes, thank you, thank
That's
you. It was
very
really,
awesome.
yeah, it was really nice from my friend. Okay, it's not new, but
Yeah.
he
Second
he
hand?
got he got it from a friend and he fixed it so it works like new, right? And I've tried
Uh,
it, and it is
yeah.
actually much better than my old bike because you can see the quality. And
Yeah.
the old bike got broken. I mean, like 2-3 times. Uh,
Uh-huh.
I'm like, should I even fix it? So I'm like, just throw it away. And then he said, you know what? I'm gonna try to get you a new bike. I mean, it's almost like new. I'm gonna fix it. And now, yeah, I invited some people when I was celebrating, and they brought the bike at 11 in the evening or midnight or something, and it was a nice
Yeah.
present. Yeah, it was very nice. So I am biking with this bike now, and I really like it. Yeah, it's
What
great.
color of your bike?
Now it's red.
Uh-huh, it's red. Yeah, I had the red bicycle, but I sold it, and I bought another one. It's green now.
Green now, I see.
Yeah, I
Okay.
love green color.
Ah, I like green. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Good,
So
good.
so do you usually ride your bicycle at the day or at the night, or what do you prefer?
Night, no, not at night because Toronto and where I live, it's not really, this place is not made for biking, not this
Yes.
area.
Yeah.
So either you have to have lights, and I don't have a lot of lights on my bike,
Uh-huh. Yeah.
or you have to stay on the pavement, on the pedestrian area, right?
What does that mean?
Pedestrians, people that are walking. But
Uh-huh.
where the people that walkers, like, but here in Toronto, the bicycles
Yeah.
are the same, are treated the same as traffic, as vehicles. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
here in Europe it's not like that, but here it is. You are a part, you should be on the road, they say. Okay. If a policeman sees you and you are on the pavement, on
Yeah.
the pedestrian area, he will write you a ticket.
Uh-huh.
But for that reason,
So
I don't
according
yeah.
according according what he will write you a ticket. There is a number on your bicycle, or just
He will
they
take my
charge you. He
ID.
charge you.
He will take my ID, my driving
Uh-huh.
license, whatever,
Yeah.
driving license
Yeah.
ID, and he will write my information, of course, and then he can send me the invoice, the bill to my home. Yes, yes.
Uh-huh. So there is a driving license for bicycle?
No, no. In Canada, driving license is like ID,
Huh,
right?
ID. So
Yeah.
he will charge you to your ID according to your ID.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh. No, here ride wherever you want. It's okay.
Yeah. So when I ride, it's usually like in the morning, maybe
Yeah.
it's too late, or in the evening, like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the evening, 7. Because okay, I think the sun sets
Yeah.
around 9:30, something
Mm.
like that. 9, yes.
Hmm.
Something. So we still have time. We have one more hour before it's dark, before it gets dark, right? The sun
Yeah.
sets, but it's still, so.
So how many miles usually do you ride?
Oh, I don't know. I never measure it.
So I wonder if you know about these apps dealing with cycling.
Yes, I know about these apps,
Yeah.
but when I'm outside, it's like, okay, I have some time, I'm just gonna go out, and usually I
Yeah.
spend 2 hours outside on a bike. So
Oh, 2 hours. Yeah. Maybe in these 2 hours, all these 2 hours contain cycling, or there is a stops there.
okay, I could say that there are stops, of course, yes, but
Yeah,
and it's
for
not
resting.
because I'm tired, it's because you cannot sit all the time on that small right? Because the seat it can be uncomfortable. That's why.
Yeah,
You know,
the same feeling with my seat. Yeah.
yeah, because it's a sports bike, right? So
Yeah,
no,
but I cover it with a thick
yeah,
pillow, something like pillow. It's make it easy for me. It's like a medical thing, a
yes, yes,
medical seat.
yes. I think maybe I'm gonna do that as well. But
Yeah,
when I go somewhere, I also go and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go to the store as well, or I'm gonna go and see my friend, right? So
yeah, it's helpful and healthy, and it's helps you with your muscles.
yes, and I stay fit. Yeah.
We have 20 seconds.
Yes, 10 seconds. Okay, I hope you
Yeah.
can call me again, and we are not. Okay, it was
Thank
nice
you
to
so
see
much,
you.
Daisy.
Thank
It's
you.
nice to meet you too. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.